Hello. What's up, everybody? It's Gleeced Vlogs, Gleeced Detailing again with another video. It's been a while. It's been a while since I posted, honestly, and I feel bad about it, man. I needed to stay consistent, and I fell off. But today is actually Thanksgiving. If you're watching this video, I might upload it a couple days after. But today is Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to all my viewers. And so today, what I got is these two rims. I got these two rims a buddy of mine gave me to clean, and he's gonna go ahead and sell them. But you can see, look at the fingerprints. You know, it's pretty bad. This one I don't think is as bad. Somebody tried to clean it, I think. But this one, it's just really bad. And I mean, it's not optimum weather right now. It's pretty hot. That's why I got my glasses off, because it's a sunny day. I want to even out that tan line I get from the side right here, even on my nose. But with me, I got a couple products I'm going to be using. First, I got this new, I mean, it's not really new, but my first time trying it. This is Purple Power. I think it's 4-to-1 or 5-to-1 maybe, with water, and then 1 ounce of Meguairs Gold Class, car soap. Somebody said that that's good when you're trying to clean wheels. It takes off, like, it doesn't leave like that residue that all-purpose cleaner usually does on black wheels or most wheels in general. And it might foam up. I want to experiment, I want to see. And then, but the real show, and I'll be doing a review on this video soon. This is Nano Skin's, what do you call it? Nano Skin Iron Free. I think that's what it is. I'll do a review on it. It's like an iron decontaminated. So I'm gonna use it to get off all that brake dust. So without further ado, I'm gonna set this up on a tripod, and I hope you enjoy this video. And yeah, all right, let's do it. And I'm not gonna be using a pressure washer. I'm gonna be using a garden hose. I'm kind of lazy. But let's see, this is an off-wheel full detail. I'm gonna be cleaning the well. They're pitted a little bit, and my buddy don't worry about that. He just wants all that brake dust to get off. So here we go. Bring you guys in a little bit closer. You can see all right there, it's turning purple. It's changing color on the well right here. It's actually drying up. Let me give it another spray. That's the thing when you're working outside in the hot sun, is that everything just dries up a lot quicker than it should. But yeah, just let it work its magic. Set you guys that down right here. I accidentally already started, but just start scrubbing. Add the iron decon to the front. We got Mother Nature on our side right now. The shade came out, which is good. It's gonna make the product work a lot better. So we're just gonna sit here and watch it soak down while my son is in the background, you know, trying to fix out how to do whatever he's messing with. And we'll just let it go. As you can see, a lot of stuff is already turning purple. The outline, it's kind of hard to tell in the all black. It's purple and black. No. And you got some purple going on right here. The whole towel is purple. This is awesome. I like this product. I'm gonna do a review on this product, and it's gonna be a good video. It's a good product, and for the price, let's go take a look at these. These ones are next. Man, look at this. Look how dirty this is. Really dirty. All right, well, I'll set you guys back up right here. It's all right. Thank you. All right, so it's been about 1 minute, a minute and a half now, and a lot of purple is popping up now. Mostly on the rail around here. You still got the product kind of like, you know, I might agitate that real quick. See what we get, what kind of, you know. We don't waste no product around here. Get in that little crack. And this stuff foams up really good. I like this. Just agitate it a little bit and it foams up. That's a good product right there. Then I'm gonna let it sit maybe another 30 seconds or so. Alright, so now I'm just wiping them dry. Prevent watermarks and see any imperfections we missed on the front. I should turn it around so you guys can see. As, I'm wiping it dry, man, and the towel still looks pretty clean. That's good. That's a good sign. That's a good sign, I'll tell you that. Like, look, that towel is still pretty clean. And I'll just wipe the whole face. Then I'll turn it over. Right down the back. And wiping down the back, the towel is still clean. Let me see how that camera angle is. Oh, could be better. Let me fix that angle. I got y'all. Okay. So, wiping it dry. Oh, I think my son is coming outside. I hear him banging on the door. And yeah, I mean, okay, we got a little dirt right there. We got a little bit. Wipe them off. And don't worry, these are the towels I use for my engine bays. I'm not gonna use this for interior detailing, you know, exterior, no. These are my engine bay details like this. And let's stand it back up. Let's wipe that face again. And let me bring you guys in a little bit closer. And wow, Yeah, you got it's pitted a little bit, you know, but for the most part, wow, just wow, look at that. Let's take you around back. I think all the brake dust is gone, man. I don't see no brake dust on this rim. I mean, well, hey. Wow, you can see the finish again. It's a matte finish. You know, there's nothing on my glove. Let me show you this one. Oof, oof, look at this. So much better, man. This one was the one I didn't get on video, man. This one was tough. I used like 3 ounces of iron decon just on this one, and this one I think was just like one. No, I don't know, but between the two I used about 6 ounces. And but this one was definitely more. Look at that. Mad clean.